Yeah, so that's the Shear Pliers. Made in Germany, you know it's got to be some sort of quality. As I said, these are new old stock. They've probably been, I don't know, in the packet for 20 years. I think they've been making them for about 50, so yeah, I quite like them. They're a nice add-on to my collection. In my search for cool and unusual tools, I came across these Odor Fit Shear Pliers. It's long grips, cuts, nips. Now I believe these are new old stock. They're no longer available. I see Laura is selling something similar. I don't know whether they've bought the rights and the molds. Have a look on the back here. Got nips, cuts. So I've got a few things here and we'll try. This is a fairly light gauge wire, but I figure we'll give it a shot. Cuts, no worries there. And I see it's also got the cutters back here. Not so useful there. Maybe it's a little thin. Not sure, but it still cuts it fine through the first bit. Now it says shear. Now this is a fairly light gauge aluminium, so it says it will shear it with this part here. So we'll just see, and yeah, look, it's cutting that quite well. I've looked everywhere for a heavier piece of sheet metal, but I just can't find one. So we'll go to this heavier wire here. Cuts it pretty easy there. Cuts it pretty easy there. Yeah, so I don't know, they're a nice item. Made in Germany. Fit was the model. I guess I had a bit of a look online. I think these are the number 15. There was number 14, which had softer handles, but these are the old 70s acetate style. Just a really nice retro tool. I mean, you know, you use combination pliers for just about everything, so they're a good tool to be carrying. And yeah, I just think they're a nice thing.